Sit in Vajrasana or a cross-leg pose with the hands resting on the spine tall and shoulders away from the ears. Inhale. Slowly circle the neck starting from the side to tilt head backwards. Exhale. Circle the chin downwards from the other side. Complete the circle with smooth, rhythmic movements. Do not strain. Feel the stretch in the neck muscles all through the circles. Circle the neck only and do not move the ribs or the rest of the torso. Inhale as the neck is tilted backwards and exhale as the chin circles in the forward direction. Do not hold your breath. Inhale as the head moves up. Exhale as the head moves down. Sit in cross-leg pose with your spine erect. Place the fingers of your left hand on your left shoulder and the fingers of your right hand on your right shoulder. Fully rotate your elbows at the same time, making large circles in opposite directions. Practice 5 times clockwise and then 5 times anti-clockwise. Try to touch your biceps to the ears while going upward. Squeeze your shoulder blades together while going backward. Touch the sides of your torso on the downward movement and touch your elbows in front of your chest on the forward movement. Keep the rest of your torso steady. Breathe normally. Tighten your abs and lift up from the base of your spine to maintain upright posture. Do not move your neck to increase range of motion at the shoulders. Stand erect with your feet together. Breathing in, raise both your hands up from the front, keeping the knees straight. As you breathe, try to deepen the forward bend to touch the toes every time you exhale. Hold this position for 20 seconds. Reach downwards, lead from the mid-back and lengthen from the lower back. Maintain every breath in the final posture. As breaths pass, try to deepen the forward bend to touch the toes every time you exhale. Feel a good stretch in the hamstrings, lower back and calves in the forward bend. Exhaling, bring back your hands down next to your thighs. Stand erect with your feet together. Inhale, raise your arms straight in front to shoulder level. Push your hips back and bend your knees like sitting in a chair and bring your thighs as parallel to the floor as possible. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Engage the abs and keep tailbone gently tucked in. Sit on the floor with your legs outstretched, feet together, keeping your spine straight. Bend your right leg and place the right foot flat on the floor. Cross your right foot over the left knee. Bend your left leg and bring the foot around to the right buttock. Inhale and raise your left hand up and lengthen the side of the body, and then cross it over your right knee and place the left tricep against the outside of your right leg. Hold your right foot or ankle with your left hand so that the right knee is close to your left armpit. Sit up as straight as possible using your core muscles. Raise your right arm and wrap it around your waist from the back. Slowly twist your right, simultaneously moving the arm, trunk and head. Do not strain the back. Release your right hand, left hand and then your right leg and left leg. Repeat the same movement with your left side. Shoulders must be away from the ears and neck long. With every exhalation, you can deepen the twist. If you cannot hold the outside of the left leg after twisting, just keep the bent right elbow and tricep outside the thigh to hold the twist. Sit on the floor, sit bones grounded with the legs together, straight in front of you, feet relaxed and hands on the knees. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, hinge forward from the hips and reach arms towards the toes. If you cannot reach the toes, hold your shins and ankles and lead the stretch from the chest and not forehead. Keep legs activated and feet flexed and push the heels away from you. And try to deepen the stretch with every exhalation. Inhale, raise your hands up and come back to the starting position and relax.
Yay! And there is good news. We are halfway there. Stay positive, determined and committed to your health goal and get the most out of this wonderful body.
Sit in Vajrasana. Make a fist with both the palms. Clench the fist as you press the thumb inside with the fingers placed on top. Inhale as you place the fist on the navel. Exhale as you bend forward from the hips while looking forward. Hold this position for 15 seconds and breathe normally. While clenching the fist, Keep pressing into the thumb. Continue to breathe normally during this asana. Inhale as you come up into Vajrasana. Sit erect in Vajrasana, placing your palms on your thighs just above your knees. Inhale, raise your arms straight above, shoulder width apart. Exhale as you bend forward from your hips, keeping the arms and head straight and in line with your trunk. Your hands and forehead should rest on the floor in front of your knees. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Breathe normally and relax your entire torso. Reach forward as you slowly come back to the starting position. Lie on your back with your feet together, legs outstretched and arms beside your body, palms facing down. Interlock your fingers over the right knee as you bend in towards your chest and press the thigh on your abdomen. Inhale here as you exhale. Lift your head and chest off the floor and touch your nose and then your chin to your right knee. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Then release your head, then your hand and then your leg. Interlock your fingers over the left knee as you bend in towards your chest and press the thigh on your abdomen. Inhale here as you exhale. Lift your head and chest off the floor and touch your nose and then your chin to your left knee. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Now release your head, then your hand and then your leg. Come back on the mat and relax. Interlock your fingers over both your knees as you bend them towards your chest and press the thighs on your abdomen. Inhale here and exhale. Lift your head and chest off the floor and bring your nose between the knees. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Now release your head, then your hand and then your leg. As you exhale, come back to the ground and relax. Sit cross-legged, tall and comfortable and place your hands on the knees. Through the nose, breathe into your belly and let it inflate on inhalation and deflate on exhalation. Keep your right hand on your abdomen to observe the breath. Take a deep breath with both your nostrils. Exhale forcefully through both your nostrils and keep deep contraction in the abdomen. Inhalations are shallow and quick, whereas the exhalations are forceful. Relax your shoulders and chest. It is important that the rapid breathing should be from your abdomen and not from your chest. Maintain tall posture from the lower back to the neck in the entire spine. Sit in Sukhasana or cross-leg position and keep both your hands gently on your knees. Inhale deeply and exhale forcefully. Hold your breath outside. Pull your belly in and push out rhythmically and repeat. Try to make the navel touch your spinal cord while pulling. Pull your belly in and push out rhythmically without much exertion. Continue the movement until you feel breathless. Then release your belly and take a deep breath. Repeat the same steps. Try to make the navel touch your spinal cord while pulling. Focus on the intensity of the Kriya. Come back to the starting position and relax. Stand erect with your feet shoulder width apart and inhale. Exhale. Pull the navel in towards your spine and hinge your hips forward with your knees softly bent and back flat. Place your palms on your thighs just above your knees. As you exhale, keep your stomach hollow. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Ensure your shoulders don't shrug. As you hold, observe the contraction in your abdomen. Now, relax your abdominal muscles. Inhale as you stand back up. Remain in the standing position until your breath returns to normal before beginning the next round. This asana is performed with external breath retention only. Hold your contraction for as long as comfortable. When you exhale, try to empty your lungs out as much as possible.